Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I'm Nikita Jain and I'm pursuing MBA from Dedhia India Vishwavidyalaya Indore in specialization business economics and proficiency in finance. So I thoroughly enjoyed my internship this summer and now I have very valuable experience under my belt. So in this internship program, we divided the internship in three parts. First is theoretical part, second is practical part, and third one is skill development part. So in the first part, we learn so many, we cover so many topics theoretically like ratio analysis, bond market, security market, mutual funds, and many more. In second practical part, we worked on various live projects on various topics like financial statement analysis, industry analysis, technical analysis, financial modeling, equity research report, mergers and acquisitions report, private equity report, venture capital report, and again knowledge. And in third part, that is skill development parts, we worked on various skill like soft skill development, presentation skill, communication skill, and many more. So in life projects, we worked on fundamental analysis, financial modeling, and mergers, acquisitions, private equity. These modules and the practical part are very informative and knowledgeable. So in this internship experience, worked on life project, learned from modules, and applied the theoretical knowledge on the practical life projects. Thank you.